Good evening everyone. So my topic for today is communication for academic purposes. So before we start, let's read the learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to explain plagiarism and why it must be avoided. Use proper citation and referencing using APA 7 edition. Identify the parts of the research process. Present information clearly, accurately, and creatively. Avoiding plagiarism. Plagiarism is using another person's ideas or words without giving credit. It includes copying, improper paraphrasing, and not citing sources. Plagiarism is unethical and can result in academic penalties. Proper citation shows honesty and respect for original authors. So, in summary, ang plagiarism is nagkuha kag idea sa laing tao nga dili gikan sa imuha without credit the owner. So, kuha ni mo idea sa laing tao pero wala ni mo credit nga ilahan ni. Imo siyang kuan nga imuha tong binuhat. So, plagiarism. Next slides. Proper citation and referencing APA 7 edition. APA stands for American Psychological Association. Uses author date format for in-text citations. Example, Smith 2022. All sources must appear in the reference list. Consistency and accuracy are important. So, para maiwasan ng plagiarism, isa ni ang APA 7 edition nga way para kuhaon mong idea sa uban pero nakakredit ang author kung kanus nila ni nabuhat. So dapat consistency and accuracy ang imong pagka-cite kung kinsa tag-iya. Next, research process. Title, introduction, review of related literature, method. So, research title clearly states what the research is about. Specific and concise, includes key variables or focus of the study, reflects the content of the entire research. So, sa title, dapat pili lang words nga imong ibutang. Dili siya taas, dili po siya yung nakamubo, specific and concise siya. So, sa pagbasa pa lang, malawak na dahil imong nahuna kung unsa mo sulod sa imong nahuna. So, makita pa lang nimo ang title, kabalo na ka kung unsay sulod nga convincing gali. Ganyan. Introduction. Provides background of the study, states the research problem, explains the purpose of the study, shows the importance of the study. So, from the word introduction, so, di ay kuhan kung unsay background sa imong study, unsay mga problema sa imong study, unsay purpose, kung unsay mga importante. Kaya introduction pa man. Next, review of related literature or RRL. Discusses previous studies related to the topic. Shows theories and concepts supporting the study. Helps identify research gaps. All sources must follow APA 7 citation. So, kaning RRL is ano siya ang mo guide sa imong research. So, bali sa imong research is naglisod ka. So, gamit ang RL, mga related sa imong study, makatabang ni siya para mabalaan nimo kung unsay kulang sa imong research, kung unsay utrohon. Pero pag imo ni siyang gamiton, dapat di nimo kalimutan nga i-cite nimo ang owner or kinsay mga tag-iya para dili ka ma-plagiarize. Method. Describes how the research is conducted. Include research design, participants or respondents, research instruments, data gathering procedure. So, in conclusion, avoiding plagiarism promotes academic integrity. APA 7 edition ensures proper citation. A clear research process improves quality and credibility. Effective communication is essential in academic world. So, in summary, para dili ka ma-plagiarize, dapat kung magkuha ka og idea sa uban, dapat naka-credit kung kinsay tag-iya. Pwede nimo gamiton ang APA as a way of accreditation kanang kung kinsa tag-iya, diba? So, effective ning APA para malikayan nato ang kanang plagiarism. Okay. And that's all. Thank you.